to a story that is so unbelievable, you will never complain about being too busy or too tired ever again.
The Brookins family turned a traumatic experience into a story they are now sharing with the world.
Meet Cara Brookins.
Cara Brookins. Cara Brookins.
Cara Brookins wanted to get her family out of a bad situation, so with the help of her 4 kids, they decided to build their own home just by watching how-to videos on YouTube.
It's crazy. She decided to build one herself. Let that sink in for a second.
They had been so beaten down for so long that this idea that for the first time in their lives they could take physical action to make their own lives better, they jumped at that. We all did. You know, we all needed that.
You found all these steps and you put all these steps together. At what point did you say, all right, I'm now brave enough to combine all of these steps and start building the house?
You know, the truth is, when you see your kids light up after a decade of tiptoeing through their lives, when I saw the way they walked tall with their shoulders back as they paced out the width of our someday living room, the way they flung their arms out and pushed us to dream bigger, bolder, more hopeful, I dared to take a chance on the reality of it.
Forget everything you've been told about taking baby steps.
She's phenomenal. I love her. I'm just really glad I got to hear her speak. So motivating, inspiring. She's truly a woman daring greatly.
The biggest thing that I noticed was just Cara's energy. She has so much energy. Like, if I had that much energy, maybe I could build a house too, but I definitely felt more inspired to take a big step.
And see her just sharing her testimony of how she and her 4 children built this house without fear, that just pumped me up to be able to think of the next great thing that I can do with my son.
She was wonderful. She's very energetic, she's dynamic, and she's very sincere.
I think Cara's amazing. I think she's an inspiration to anybody who has a story to tell, has a goal that they want to reach. I'm just really, really pleased that we got to see her today.
Thank you, and I can't wait to see what you build.